Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the mic loudness on the HyperX SoloCast 2. So if you want to adjust the gain of the HyperX SoloCast 2, it's pretty easy to do, and the first thing that we're going to need is the Ingenuity beta. So as of now, the HyperX SoloCast 2 is only supported in a beta version of Ingenuity, so if you want to adjust settings, you're gonna get the beta version. And once it's installed, make sure that you've connected your device, and it's going to detect it automatically. And then we're gonna go to Home, and then click on our microphone. And after that, we're going to press on audio right here, and here we have mic gain. So as you can see, as I'm speaking, the little green bar jumps up and down, and that means that this is how much volume it picks up. So if we turn it up, you can see that the little bars jump up a lot more, like sharply. And then if we turn it down, as you can see, it barely reaches more than like in the quarter. And just play around with these settings and just find the setting that you feel is the best, and once you're done, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.